you can hear us deep breathing because we've already made it that high. But good morning and welcome to a new video. This is the worst intro I think I've ever had to do. But we have got to get past all of that.
This is the low peak.
Low one, high one is behind it. But we are on this and we're gonna do it, and it sucks. But we gotta whisper that because the person that planned it is back there. And I'm really just doing this so that we could get a little bit of a longer break. So now I better stop so that we can keep walking. The hardest thing I've ever done.